A major legal ruling clears the way for executions to resume here in California.
The state Supreme Court upholding the voter-approved Prop 66. KPIX 5's political reporter Melissa Caen on the inmates that could end up in the death chamber even sooner. Melissa?
That's right. You remember that voters endorsed Prop 66 in this last November's election, and the whole idea is to speed up the death penalty process. But the new law, the new proposition, didn't take effect because it was held up by a legal challenge. Well, today we got some resolution to that challenge when the state Supreme Court threw it out. They paved the way for executions to begin again.
I do want to remind the court that there is a much neglected constitutional right at the heart of this proposition. The victims of crime, including the families of murder victims, do have a constitutional right to prompt and final resolution of the case.
Today, the California State Supreme Court upheld Proposition 66, a ballot measure designed to speed up the death penalty, endorsed by voters in November. Opponents of the death penalty, like Senator Scott Wiener, asked the court to throw out the new law.
We really wanted to overturn this ballot measure as unconstitutional in various respects. So the idea that we will now accelerate death penalty appeals and the process and flood the system and force our Supreme Court to focus even more of its scarce resources on death penalty appeals, it just doesn't make sense.
Out of 750 people on death row, there are more than a dozen men who have exhausted their appeals. 3 of them were sentenced in the Bay Area. Harvey Heichman was sentenced in Alameda in 1981 for raping a woman and then killing her to prevent her from testifying against him. In San Mateo County, Douglas Mikey was sentenced in 1980 for robbing and murdering 2 people. And Robert Fairbanks was sentenced in 1989 for torturing and murdering a person. San Mateo District Attorney Steve Wagstaff says he will now move to set execution dates for both Mikey and Fairbanks, but he'll work with other DAs.
Because there are clemency hearings that need to be done, there are dates that need to be set, and we can't all rush to the courthouse tomorrow morning and say, let's go to work. It needs to be done with some collaboration.
Wagstaff says executions could resume by the beginning of next year.
Again, we don't know what will happen, though, and what the other side will try to do now, but certainly under the decision that came out today, the enforcement of this proposition and the California law that we've had since 1977, it could start as soon as in the next 4 or 6 months.
Now, Prop 66 also includes a number of shorter deadlines for the process, and probably the most important is a rule that says all death penalty appeals have to be completed within 5 years. Well, today, in that ruling, the state Supreme Court said that those deadlines aren't exactly enforceable, but so we may see somebody whose appeals process takes more than 5 years, for example. But they did say that they can, and they will, and they should do their best to comply with those legally mandated timelines. Live in Marin, Melissa Caen, KPIX 5.